In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods are not charging. Now, the first thing you should do is just check your charging cable. Now from here, just check if your charging cable is damaged or not. You also make sure you use a supported charging cable. Preferably just use the original charging cable from Apple, or just use any charging cable which is supported by Apple. Now, if the issue is not with your charging cable, just try to use another charging cable and check if your issue is fixed or not. And also check the charging port of your AirPods. Now, if there is any dust or debris stuck in your AirPods charging port, just clean the charging port using a soft brush. Now, from here, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case, then close the lid. After that, just wait for a couple of seconds, then open the lid back open. Now just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and this is the third time. After the third double tap, you will see the orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. Now if you're using the AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back of the AirPod, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, first of all, just open the lid, then tap and hold on the button at the back of your AirPods. Now just do that until you see the orange LED starts blinking at the front of your AirPods, and after the LED turns from orange back to white, then this indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. Now just close the lid and charge your AirPods using your charging cable. If your AirPods are still not charging, then try to use a wireless charger or a MagSafe charger if your AirPods supports wireless charging or MagSafe charging. Now another issue can be that your AirPods case is charging, but the AirPods themselves are not charging. Now to fix this issue, just remove the AirPods which is not charging. Now let's say if this AirPod is not charging, now just check the bottom of the AirPod and clean the bottom part of the AirPod. Now as you can see, this is the contact area from where your AirPods will charge. So just clean this area using a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris or any corrosion which might be on the charging pins. And also check the contact area in the case. Now if you find any dust, debris or any corrosion on the charging pins in your AirPods case, so just apply some isopropyl alcohol on a Q-tip, then rub the Q-tip on the charging pins. Now just clean the charging pins in your AirPods case, and after that just place your AirPods back into the case and they will start charging again. Now, if you have done all that, but if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your AirPods. Just take your AirPods to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the AirPods are not charging issue on any AirPods. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.